Welcome to Argentina, a land of passion, rich history, and innovation. In a quest to bridge global opportunities, Accelerance sets foot in this captivating country, not just to explore its beautiful landscapes, but to forge connections that transcend boundaries. Accelerance, known for its pursuit of excellence in software development, doesn't just bring its expertise to the table. It embraces the ethos of these vibrant communities. As our team engages with local partners, the exchange isn't just about teaching, but a reciprocal learning experience where we immerse ourselves in the Argentine culture and glean insights from the local expertise. While learning about the people and their way of life, Accelerance doesn't miss a beat in educating our partners on global best practices in sales and marketing. The exchange of knowledge and skills isn't just within the confines of an office. It's a holistic experience that encompasses the culture, traditions, and the very heart of Argentina. These interactions aren't just about business, they're about building lasting relationships. The Accelerance mission isn't just to impart knowledge, but to foster mutual growth that benefits everyone involved. As the sun sets on our time in Argentina, the bonds we formed with our Argentine partners, every moment we shared, is a step towards a stronger, more connected global network.